City of Gahanna, Ohio, Water and Sewer Installer Permit Bond. What is the City of Gahanna, Ohio, Water and Sewer Installer Permit Bond? It is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install or work on water and sewer systems within the city. This bond acts as a financial guarantee that the installer will follow local codes, regulations, and project requirements. It involves three parties: the contractor principal, the city obligee, and the surety company that backs the bond. Why is City of Gahanna, Ohio, Water and Sewer Installer Permit Bond required? The bond is required to protect the city and the public from faulty or non-compliant installation work. It ensures that contractors follow proper safety standards and municipal guidelines when handling water and sewer systems. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond provides financial recourse to cover damages or corrections. How does City of Gahanna, Ohio, Water and Sewer Installer Permit Bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company before receiving a permit to begin work. If the contractor violates city regulations or causes damage, a claim can be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims initially, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any payouts. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.